If you've ever wondered how I keep my home clean while running 3 businesses, cooking for my family, and actually having a life, this video is for you. My approach is simple, peaceful, and flexible. Nothing extreme, nothing that will make you feel behind, just small habits that fit into a busy life. Let's walk through what my cleaning routine really looks like in a typical week. Every single morning, I take about 30 minutes to do what I like to call my daily tidy. This is not deep cleaning. It's just resetting my home so it supports me through the day instead of stresses me out. It's things like switching the laundry if I forgot the night before, loading or unloading the dishwasher, wiping down my bathroom counters while I brush my teeth, making my bed, picking up anything left out from the night before. It's quick, it's easy, and it keeps the house from spiraling. This one habit alone frees up so much mental space for me, especially when I'm running multiple businesses, filming content, and juggling my family life. Now for deeper cleaning, here's the trick. I give myself 30 minutes to 1 hour max per day. I literally set a timer and race it. And I swear I get triple the amount of cleaning done just because I'm focused and I know there's a clear stopping point. This keeps me from spending my whole Saturday or Sunday cleaning, and it lets me weave it into my real everyday routine. I used to break cleaning down by task, dusting, vacuuming, mopping, and honestly, that set me up to fail. What works for me is cleaning by room. It keeps things so much cleaner throughout the week and it feels less overwhelming. Here's how I break it down. Monday, reset the house after the weekend. No scrubbing, no deep cleaning, just clearing visual clutter and putting things back where they belong. Then Monday evening, I clean out the fridge and pantry because our trash goes out Tuesday. It's a simple habit, but it makes a big difference. Tuesday, I deep clean the kitchen because the fridge is already cleared. Tuesday is my kitchen day. I wipe down the cabinets, appliances, counters. I'll even hit the baseboards if I'm feeling ambitious. This is my most thorough cleaning day of the week. Wednesday is for bathrooms. Both bathrooms get done on Wednesdays. If I'm hosting or schedule shift, I'll move this around, but most of the time, Wednesday is a full bathroom cleaning day. Thursday is for bedrooms. I focus on our bedroom and any small resets needed in other rooms. My son is 14 now, so he handles his room on his own, but during busy sports or school weeks, I'll go in and reset it for him if he needs the help. Friday is living room, a lighter task day, just resetting the space, refreshing the living room, and getting ready for the weekend. Saturday, catch up or deep clean the floors. We're usually out of the house for events, but I do like to take 20 to 30 minutes to catch up on anything that I skipped. Sometimes I'll use this time for baseboards or for a really good floor clean. And Sunday is for meal planning and laundry. Of course, this is flexible because we are out of the house, especially during the holidays for events. But if we are home, this is my planning and reset day. So I do my meal plan, my grocery pickup, laundry, and just light resets around the house. It really just sets the tone for a calm week ahead. Here's the most important part. I'm flexible with myself always. My schedule changes, my son's school and sports change, client needs change, business changes, life changes. So I don't try to force things to fit perfectly. I adjust, I move things around, I let some things wait. I give myself permission to be flexible, and that keeps everything peaceful instead of feeling overwhelming. And I've been asked multiple times, which is why I actually made this video about how I get cleaning done during a busy workday. And I work Monday through Friday. Yes, I do work from home and out of the home, but I work 9 a.m. to 5 or 6, plus evenings and weekends when needed. So I have to slot my cleaning in very intentionally. So my rhythm looks like this. Every morning is that 30-minute tidy we talked about earlier in this video. And then the late afternoon before cooking dinner, I spend the 30 30 minutes to an hour doing the cleaning that I scheduled for the specific room for that day. So it fits naturally into my routine without feeling like it's completely taking over my life. If you take anything away from this video, let it be this: your home doesn't have to be perfect to feel peaceful. You don't need hours of free time. Just small habits done consistently make the biggest impact. I hope this inspires you to create a routine that supports your life instead of just adding pressure to it. If you found this helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know what part of my routine you would like to see next. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you all more than you know, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye!